Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blur moving objects in a video on the CapCut mobile. So here I have this video and I want to blur the face of this person in a video. So first what you need to do is just click on the video and duplicate it and make one of the video as overlay. So put it down by clicking on the overlay like this. Now go back, go to the video effect and add the blur video effect, this one. Click on blur, click on the check icon and make sure the length is matched with the video. Now click on object and select overlay. Then the blur will be applied to the overlay. Now click on the overlay video and find masking feature, the masking feature. Click on mask, select the circle. Here match the size and also the position of the blur. So in here you can also adjust the feather to have a more natural blurry effect. Click on a check icon. You can see the face is covered or censored by the blur, but if you want to make it follow the movement, you need to use this trick. So go to mask again, then here add a keyframe and let's zoom in the frame first. So just move forward like this and follow the movement of the person and moving the masking along with the movement. So after you move the masking based on the movement of the object that you track or you want to cover, you are done. And here is the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.